This is the Headlight Restoration that I did for the 3000 GT. It had mixed results, but I'll show you guys what I did anyways. Because I didn't really get to drive the 3K GT too often, usually on the weekends I would just kind of clean things up a little bit, check on the motor, the fluids, start it up, maybe take it for a spin, and then in this instance really just check on the headlights because it was kind of worn out a little bit. As you could tell, there's some yellow stains on it, I think from just years of just wear and tear. I mean, it is a pretty old car, a classic even, if you will, and so today is really all about just restoring the headlights. So the first step is to purchase this kit right here. As you can see, this is a headlight lens restoration kit, which I got. It was like a turtle wax. Just gonna try this out, see how it works out, and it's pretty easy to use. It kind of tells you what to do, the steps that you need to take to get yourself started with restoration. First thing you do is apply that wax onto the headlight itself, you know, just to kind of get it ready. So that's what I did. I just applied that wax in there just to get it started. Then after that, that's when I start using number 1 sanding. It's already labeled, so it's just pretty, you know, self-explanatory. So I just started sanding with the number 1. You just got to make sure that you get every part of the headlight. So I started using number 2 to sand. I applied on the whole headlight, so just to make sure that I get every part of it, and then I started sanding over a few times. And then I applied number 3. Number 3 is obviously the third sanding that I had to do. So the same thing, I took my time and I applied it a couple of times, not just once. Okay, just for filming, I just showed it real quick. Then afterwards, I applied this wax again that they have, this sort of finisher, just to apply onto there. So I did it a few times just to see if I had to repeat the steps over again, and I did it a couple times. For some reason, the yellow is still there. If you really want like a professional job, then obviously take it to a professional. But if you're okay with just something that at least takes out most of the yellow stains, then this should do it for you, you know, on a budget. So there you have it. Till next time, stay safe and keep rolling.